Hello folks, my name is Syed Saif and I am from India, founder and CEO of a consulting firm. This video is a testimonial and 5-star feedback for Mr. Ayobami Aduwi. I gave him a project to execute and I would like to thank him and say that he did an exceptional job of completing the work on time. And also I had a lot of questions and iterations which were to be done. He did all that on every request that I made to him. So I would like to thank him, and also I would like to wish him all the very best for his business. If you're looking for anything related to tech, digital marketing, webinars, all these sort of things, I think Techie Ground is the place to go. Thank you so much, Mr. Dewey, for your work that you've done for me. I'll give you more projects and more work. Thank you.